A lot of my students ask this question. So in this video, you're going to find answer to this question. Nouns in Sanskrit are divided into three: Pullingam, Strilingam and Napumsakalingam. And tables altogether are divided into two: Ajant and Halant. So in this table, you will find Ajant tables we are going to discuss. Akaranta pulling for the beginner to learn is Balak or Ram or Bal. And Akaranta Napumsakaling is Fal. Akaranta Strilingam is Lata or Rama. Ikaranta Pullingam is Muni. In our channel Sanskrit Online, you will find how to learn Ikaranta Pullingam table. I am giving the link here. You can click on this link. Then Ikaranta Strilingam is Mati. Ikaranta Strilingam is Nadi. Ukaranta Pullingam is Sadhu. And Rikarant has Pulling and Striling, which is Pitra and Matra. Now in this video, we will continue with how to learn Ukaranta Pulling, that is Shishu table. You will get some tips and tricks on how to learn fast this particular table. In Ukaranta Pullingam, we are doing Shishu. Here in this table, Pradhama Vibhakti Ekavajanam and Dvivajanam are missing, but Bahuvajanam is given, which is Shishavaha. So Shishuhu becomes Pradhama Vibhakti Ekavajanam. And Pradhama Vibhakti Dvivajanam will be Shishu. So if it's Guru, it will be Guruhu, Guru, Guravaha. Bandhuhu, Bandhu, Bandhavaha. Bhanuhu, Bhanu, Bhanavaha. And Taruhu, Taru, Taravaha. Sambodhanam will be He Shisho, He Shishu, and repetition of Pradhama Vibhakti, He Shishavaha. Same will be for Guru, Bandhu, Bhanu, Taru or Sadhu. And Dvitiya Vibhakti, Shishum, Shishu, Shishun. When it's Shishum in the table, it is better to write Ma instead of putting Anuswaram there. Shishum, Shishu, Shishun. Tritiya Vibhakti, Shishuna, Shishubhyam, and just like Lata, it will come Lataya, Latabhyam, Ladabhihi. So here it is Shishuna, Shishubhyam, Shishubhihi. Though this is Pullingam, that is how the form comes. Then Chaturthi will be like Pradhama Vibhakti Bahuvajanam ends in Va, Shishavaha. So it will be Shishave here. Shishave, Gurave. So U will go for Chaturthi. Ukarant, U will not come. Shishu will not come. Shishave, Shishubhyam, Shishubhyaha will come. Panchami and Shashti of these tables are similar. That is, Ekavajanam will be always similar. So it will be Shishoho and Shishoho for Panchami and Shashti Ekavajanam. And Shishubhyam is repeated 3 times in Tritiya, Chaturthi and Panchami. So these basic things, if you memorize, it will be easy to memorize the whole table. Shishoho, Shishubhyam, Shishubhyaha, Shishoho, Shishuoho, Shishunam, and Saptami Ekavajanam will be like Kavi or Agni. In Agni table we had discussed it's Agnau. Similar way here it will be Shishau. Shishau, Shishuoho, Shishusho.